me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hey guys, so today I brought you DIY homemade face masks. So subscribe if you haven't to join the Queen Ash family, and give it a thumbs up if you love face masks like I do. For this face mask, all you will need is just gram flour and water. Simple as that. It's super nice and exfoliating, and it is super soothing, and your skin feels so much fresh after using this. Give yourself a small plate and add 2 teaspoons of water and 1 teaspoon of gram flour. We want the texture to be a little bit thick and gooey, so you gotta mix it and just measure it the amount you want for your face. You can also use this paste for your body. For basically, if you want, you can use it for your body or your face as you wish. It's so good, you guys. Oh my gosh, it is so freaking fresh. After that, your skin feels glowing from natural ingredient, you guys. So the paste should be like this, a little bit doughy, a little bit gooey, and just like that, super nice and thick, and apply it on your face and you're gonna love it. So before washing it off, make sure to rub it in on your face gently, then wash it off. This one you will need coffee. A nice instant coffee will work as well, and honey. And oh my gosh, you guys, coffee and honey works like a charm on your face. Like, I absolutely love this mask. It's so freaking good. The texture, the rubbing, the feels afterward is just amazing. After applying this, it just feels so freaking good. And under your eyes, oh my gosh. Add 1 teaspoon of coffee powder and just the amount of honey that you need to thicken the texture. Just keep on mixing it until measuring it the amount you want. Is just no measurements, just the amount you want. I just go with 1 teaspoon. Keep on adding more if you like. I'm just trying to make here my mixture and trying to see how I want the texture to be. You just want the texture to be a little bit thick, a little bit thin, like a little coffee and honey. The paste should be a little bit, normal and texture wise, so you can gently rub it in on your face. This is how the texture should be, and here it is. As you guys can see, it's nice and thick and thin, and just the perfect texture. And also, you guys, after applying this, keep it in on your face for 5 minutes, and oh my gosh, the results will blow your mind. For this mask, all you need is rice. Just crushed up some rice and just make it a little bit powder, but they should not be full powder. It should be texture wise. And also you can use mixer or just crush it by your hand, or you can use a roller to mash them up. But remember, we don't need it powdered, we just need it to be a little bit crushed to have the texture. And I did not measure this one, I just winged it the way I liked it. So I just went the amount that I thought would be enough, and that's all. So all you're gonna need is your crushed rice and 2 teaspoons of water, and just mix it until it turns into a nice thick paste. The paste should be looking like this. You can see it's nice and thick and thin. It's just the perfect texture amount you need. Also, keep this on your face for about 10 minutes and just rub it in before washing it off. While washing it, just slowly rub it on your skin gently, and oh my gosh, you guys, the results are amazing. As you guys probably know about rice water and rice itself is so good for your skin. So for this face mask, all you need is honey and again rice, just some rice and honey. You can use brown rice or any other rice you like, you know, the small sushi rice or the regular rice you have around your home, just will do perfectly. Again, I'm bringing in the amount of rice that I need, so the rice will be just like that, crushed up rice, and add 1 teaspoon of honey in that, and just keep adding until you like the texture, and just keep mixing it nice and gently. You gotta mix it quite a lot for this one because it gets super tacky and sticky. Final result, as you guys can see, this is super thick. The texture is super good, and this will be super messy, but yeah, try to work where you are through, and just again rub it in and leave this one just for 1 to 2 minutes, and just gently rub it all over your face and wash it off. This one, all you will need is shea butter and turmeric powder. Simple as that. For this, just add 1 full teaspoon of shea butter and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. You can use coconut butter if you like, if you don't have shea butter around your home. But you guys, I suggest to get yourself a shea butter because that is so much more better than coconut butter. And oh my gosh, the results are crazy, you guys. This one is by far the best one and my favorite one. Because this one works so good, but you need to do a lot of mixing because the shea butter is super thick. So just mix your way through, and the texture will be a little bit thick. If you like, you can warm it up under hot steaming water. Just keep the plate and the butter will be melted, and then you can apply it gently on your face, and you can leave this on your face for 15 minutes. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys will try these face masks. So don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't, to join the Queen Ash family, and don't forget to follow me on my all social platform. The links will be down below. It's all Aisha Style. Thanks for watching.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.